viewers, welcome back to our channel Low Point, and this is Anisha Babu. Today we are going to discuss about the frequently asked questions on the topic of consumer law. We have a Supreme Court of India advocate on record, Ms. Prasanna Elizabeth Joseph, to clear our doubts on this topic. So moving on to our first FAQ. Can a consumer simultaneously file a case in the consumer forum and also seek remedy in other forums? For example, if you buy a flat under construction and the developer delays the delivery of the possession, then can one approach the Consumer Commission for the deficiency of the service as well as seek remedy under RERA Act?
Yes, one can approach the Consumer Commission as well as avail other legal remedies depending on the facts of the case. Because Section 101 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019 states that it is in addition to other legal remedies. So, if two remedies are available, one before the civil court and other before the Consumer Commission, it is for the consumer to decide which remedy he would like to avail. This was upheld in a recent case in Miss Imperial Structures Limited versus Anil Patni and another, decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the year 2020. Mr. Anil Patni and others made almost entire payment for the flat construction, around 63 lakhs out of the 76 lakhs. But even after 4 years, there was no sign of project getting completed. So they approached the National Commission for refund of their full amount with 18% interest per annum from the date of deposit. Developer Miss Imperia Structures Limited refuted the consumer complaint on the ground that the case falls under Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. It is called RERA Act 2016 in short. So the Consumer Commission cannot entertain the petition. However, the National Commission as well as the Honorable Supreme Court of India in appeal rejected the argument and held that even though RERA Act is available for real estate matters, then also parallel consumer case can also be filed.
Moving on to our next question. If the District Commission passes an order directing the wrongdoer to compensate the complainant, we all know that the wrongdoer can file appeal before the State Commission. But can the complainant also file an appeal before the State Commission if he is not satisfied with the compensation?
Yes, the wrongdoer and complainant both can file separate appeals before the State Commission within a period of 45 days from the date of the order, and State Commission will hear both appeals together as it is arising from the common order. However, the wrongdoer can file appeal before the State Commission only after depositing 50% of the amount directed to be paid by the District Commission. For example, if the District Commission direct the wrongdoer to pay 1 lakh rupees, then he can file appeal before the State Commission only after depositing rupees 50,000. Here I would like to point out one important aspect. If any party is not satisfied with the appeal order of the State Commission, then he can file a revision petition before the National Commission within 30 days from the date of the order. And thereafter, if one party is not satisfied with the revision petition order of National Commission, then he can file a specially petition before the Honorable Supreme Court of India within 30 days from the order of the National Commission. The orders passed by the District Commission or the State Commission or the National Commission, if the same is not challenged in appeal or revision or specially petition, then the same is final.
So our next FAQ is whether Consumer Commission has all the powers of the court. How does it ensure that its orders are implemented?
Yes, District Commission has the same powers of the civil court and certain powers of criminal court. Where the Commission is satisfied that the complainant is justified in filing the complaint, it can pass various orders. The removal of defects or deficiencies from the goods or services, replacement of the goods, refund of the price paid, award of compensation for the loss or injury suffered, withdrawal of the hazardous goods from being offered for sale, discontinuance of the unfair trade practice, and direction not to repeat them. In addition to these orders, it can also direct the offender to pay litigation cost borne by the complainant. If anyone does not comply with the orders of the District Commission or the State Commission or the National Commission, then he or she shall be punished with imprisonment or with fine. that under the new Consumer Protection Act 2019, settlement of disputes through mediation, that is with the help of a neutral intermediary outside the consumer court, is encouraged. If the consumer case is settled in mediation, then the Consumer Commission will dispose of the complaint in the light of the settlement. If the matter is not settled in mediation, then the matter goes back to the consumer court and the consumer court will decide the consumer case in accordance with law.
So our fourth question is there a time limit or time period within which you need to file a consumer complaint before the Consumer Commission?
Yes, there is a time limit of 2 years within which you need to file a consumer complaint. This 2 years is calculated from the date on which the cause of action has arisen. Cause of action means the fact leading rise to filing of a complaint. For example, you purchased a TV from a TV store and after 6 months, the sound system of the TV got a complaint. You intimated the same to the customer care representative. However, no one repaired it or they did not repair it properly. In this case, 2 years can be calculated from the date on which you purchased the TV or the date on which TV sound system got damaged or the date on which you informed the customer care executive about the fault, etc. If the complaint is filed after 2 years, then the complainant need to justify the reason for the delay. And if Commission is convinced, they can entertain the complaint after recording the reason for excusing the delay. I would like to state here that the complaint can be filed by you or any voluntary consumer association or any numerous consumers having the same interest joined together.
So our last and the final FAQ is whether orders passed by the Consumer Commission are available online.
Yes, you can find out the case details and orders passed by Consumer Commission online. The National Consumer Commission has a centralized portal. The website is ncdrc.nic.in. This is the website ncdrc.nic.in. If you go to this website, you can see case status. Click on to this case status. Once you select case status, you can see this page. Here you can find NCDRC State Commission District Forum. If your matter is pending before District Forum, you may select District Forum, then you may select the state, then you may select the bench. So once you selected the state as well as the bench, then if you know the case number, then go to simple search. Here, put the case number in the column provided and then click on to search. If you don't know the exact case number, then you may go to advanced search. And here you will have to enter from date and to date. It's not necessary that here you need to mention the exact case date. If you know the year, for example, if your matter is a matter of 2019, then here mention from date 1/1/2019 to date 31/12/2019. Then you can go to select any field. So complainant, respondent, advocate for the complainant, advocate for the respondent, case type, category. So if you know any of these, then choose this. After selecting your field, you can select either of the above and go to search button. Once you selected this, you can find view history and orders. This is how you can find the case details from the consumer website. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Prasinna, and a big thanks to all our viewers for watching. Stay tuned for our next session on another legal topic. Till then, bye-bye.